Okay. I'd like to show you the journey to 100%. I loaded 35,000 and I've made 100%. So I want to point out to you so that, okay, let me first go through statement so that you can get to see what I'm talking about. And I can also get to show you my losses. I had a loss, or wrong assumption, really. Now, this was what I loaded. You can see deposit. Now, let's see the time. Look at the time, 7:58. 7:58. That's the time, 7:58. I mean 17:58. That's 5:58. So, um, I made some trades. Now, I had my first trade I won, and my second trade I lost. That second trade was a real wrong direction. I was looking at a chart for 10 and I traded 25. So that was a miss entry from my own end. So that sets me back to 0.03. So I had to start trading and I trade I think about 12 trades. So let me show you the trade. So you may be wondering, do I lose? Yes, of course. I told you losses is part of what you should experience. Sorry, my auto setup there. I need to close it for this to avoid distractions. Okay, so look at it here. All the trades won, right? Do I lose? Yes. Look at losses. This was the trade I lost. So the rest I won them. Now you see, every time you make profit, learn to know when to stop. I finished one trading section. It will take about after maybe probably another 30 minutes or 20 minutes or anything before I can continue another section. I have to allow myself some break, catch my breath, and then start all over again with another zero point 0.1. Now, the plan always is to make like 350% daily, meaning spend 30,000 to make over 100,000. So I'm expecting 30,000 times 350. That should give me 100,000 naira. So that's the target. Anybody can do this, but you see, you need to learn to know how to make 30% first before you start thinking about making over 100,000 or even more. Can you make more? Yes, but you see, slow and steady. Build up, build up, build up. Then you will get there. Mind you, the 35,000 was just like zero point 0.1 precisely, 0.107. So I've made zero point 0.1. Now I need to start all over again. Did I lose? Yes. This is how I trade and I end up completing making 100,000. Anyone can do this. Anyone can do this. I just play some trades now. I'm expecting them to pull through. Once they pull through, I'm going to be making withdrawals. Anybody can do this. Don't be in a hurry. Learn the right way to do things, and you'll be glad you did. Most people are always in a hurry, and most people are afraid because they are too greedy. You can see the trades are pulling through already. Don't be too greedy. Learn how to do this, and when you know how to do this, you'll be able to make profits. There are proper way to get information. Once you know the right thing to do, you'll be able to get the right results.